Everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Jura EA espresso machine after it comes like with many issues. So I did replace the flow meter for this machine and calibrate the grinder. Then I make tune up for the whole machine, replace all the gaskets on the brew unit and all lubricate all the moving parts in the machine. So let's go ahead and test it and make a cup of coffee unit. It's amazing. Great with thick crema and it works perfect. So let's go ahead and test. Look at the here's what we got here. It's not dry anymore. Thank you for watching. Oh, let's test the hot water. Perfect, that's good enough. Thank you for watching.